We are going to review itong Yukanbi colorful matte eyeshadows. So I have 3 in here. I heard this at James Charles Painted Palette Tube. So we are going to review this all in one. At ng swatches ng 3 palettes nila. So this is the pastel ones is the mint candy. And then the fruit punch is the more on the rainbow colors one. Then the colorful ones are here. Ayan. So si colorful, ganito yung itsura niya. So may dalawang shimmers. Ito nabasag lang under shipping talaga. Tapos may 4 na pastel colors. Then may different. It's more on a balance of more on a cool tones and vivid colors. While this fruit punch is more on a rainbow colors. Look at it, look at it, look at it. It's more on a rainbow colors with this one. While this mint candy is more on a pastel color one. So binili ko to so it's only 199 pesos and 180 to 199 pesos. Sulit na siya for this affordable palette na pwedeng dupe ng painted palette ni James Charles. We are going to explore colors in here. Explore colors tayo. So, ayan. Gamit natin yung libreng brush. Okay. This is a good palette to try. On with this one. Pink ones. Let's try all i-mix and match yating colors. So, pansin nyo, with this kind of colors is so pigmented. Super pigmented niya, guys. I can't imagine gagawa sila ng, kasi na sobrang colorful yung ganitong kakalabasan in terms of color selections. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganitong in terms of color selection ang gagawin ng Yukanbi. Nag-explore sila into different colors. Ayan. Nag-explore sila into different colors. And the palettes are so pigmented. Pero may konting fallout siya. May konting fallout siya, guys. If you use this palette, if pag-uusapan natin, walang primer tong ginamit ko. Wala siyang primer. As is. Kasi gusto ko i-test siya on the product itself. May fallout siya. Yes, may fallout siya. But, if you use it on its own, pwede na siya as a dupe palette for dupe palette ng painted palette ni James Charles kasi nag-release siya ng bagong palette. So, it's a better option to review this one. Then, let's try to explore more colors with this one. Ayan. May libre siyang brush. Gusto ko lang gamitin yung libreng brush niya. See? Mix and match colors lang siya, guys. Very good ang kalabasan niya. If you are into go with the colors or gusto mo ng exploration of colors, go for this one. If you are on the budget, this is the best palette that I would recommend to you. Kasi gusto ko itest ko to as a product itself na walang primer because Yukanbi is very good in terms of this product selection na in terms of pigments in an affordable price. Very good sila in this kind of price point nila as is. So, gamitin natin yung mga light colors. Okay. Let's try the pastel light colors in here. Okay. This one is a good one. This one is a good one. Talaga. I love it. I love it. I super duper love it. I'm amazed. Tapos yung shimmer nila super ganda. As is, ang ganda ng shimmers nila and more. Then we'll try the dark ones here. ganda ng shimmers nila, in fairness. Kudos to them. Kudos to them for their product selection. Sasabi ko, I'll try these 3 variations of the You Can Be kung papaset to sa standard ng James Charles Paint Palette. Yes, papasa siya kasi all of the colors pinag-isipan talaga, may with different variety of color variations all in one. Ayan, may different variations ka with all of the color variations all in one with this one. Sobrang pigmented niya and it's so easy to use. So 119, no, not bad for 199 pesos with this palettes from You Can Be. No wonder bakit siya viral sa TikTok. So you better try this affordable palettes in TikTok. Yun lang, finish na.